because now we have all of the strokes. We had rebound, we have control, we have tap, common application with upstrokes and controls. You'll see it a lot on hi-hat playing when we hear tst, 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 tst. And let me start. Right, up, control. Right, very, very common, this thing. Exercise 1, control, then up. So we're starting high, we're ending low, we're putting that brake on. And then from that low height, we draw the wrist up, we unfurl, and we go round again because we're up. So then we come down. When you see people playing like this on a hi-hat, you see how the hat, it gives a more varied hi-hat sounds. And I find it's easier to go faster because we're breaking something up into 2 motions, and that up, we're not feeling like we're really playing it. It's a kind of happy accident. So control, up, control, up, unfurl, control, up, unfurl, control, up, unfurl. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Look for that wrist coming up. Down, up, down, up, down. I am not gripping this stick crazy hard. It's the wrist. The wrist is doing it. And my fingers are staying attached. Try it with both hands. The left hand is going to real struggle with this, if you're right-handed though, at first, but it can learn from the other one. So make sure you're strong hand.